Hey, so is Sellerboard free? In this video, I'm going to share my sincere answer with you as a real user of Sellerboard and as an Amazon seller. Plus, I'm going to share valuable resources with you so you can make the most out of Sellerboard. In fact, the first resource I have for you is linked in the description. This link is going to help you score 2-month free trial of Sellerboard. As you can see here on the left lower side, 2-month free trial, no credit card required, and you can cancel it anytime. This is better than the normal 1-month free trial that the company can offer to you. I can offer 2-month free trial to you so you can test it out for 2 whole months without paying money. This is an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Sellerboard afterwards, I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. This helps me keep my content free for you forever. Thank you very much. My name is Vova and great to meet you, Amazon seller. So yes, Sellerboard is free to try out, 2-month free trial, link in the description. Afterwards, you have to invest in the tool. So what are the options? You have 4 different plans: standard, professional, business, and enterprise, starting at $19 per month, ending at $79 per month. Maybe if you need more, you can contact the guys. Click here, talk to them. The link is in the description to the kind of Sellerboard page. Then click on pricing to get here. Now, for most of the sellers, this is going to be the most popular. Up to 3,000 orders per month is the $19 kind of plan. If you have more than $3,000, you move to the next plan, etc., 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 up to going to enterprise. And if you're even bigger, then you can contact the guys. So it starts at $19 and it ends at $79 for most of the users. You can also pay annually. So what does it mean? If you pay monthly, you pay once per month on a given date. If you pay annually, you pay once per year on a given date. And in this way, you can save money. So if you pay $90 a month for 12 months, you'll end up paying about, let's say, $228, right? Something along those lines per year. So 90, 90, 99, x 12, 228. If you pay once per year annual, you end up paying only $179, as you can see here. So it is about 15 a month, but in one chunk, on one payment, you pay $179. Who is it good for? It's good for those who have already seen the value of Sellerboard and you like, okay, I just want to save up some money and pay once per year and save money. So this is good for the annual. If you're just trying it out, you're like, okay, I just try monthly, go for the monthly, pay 19 or 29, whatever your size of the shop is, and enjoy. So Sellerboard is available for Amazon sellers. As you can see here, profit analytics for Amazon sellers. Also, as you can see here for Shopify, like I'm looking at the central upper part, and Walmart. Now, in order to make the most out of Sellerboard for Amazon, I have prepared a video for you in the description. It's a tutorial with myself and Jenny from Sellerboard where we dive deep into Sellerboard in this 1 hour and 15-minute conversation and show you how to use all the parts of Sellerboard. We explain how they work, what these graphs mean, how to read those graphs, how to make the most out of Sellerboard for Amazon. Very nice video. It's in the description for you. I really recommend you watching it. It will help you make the most out of Sellerboard for Amazon. If you want to use Sellerboard for Shopify, I have a video for you with Alex from Sellerboard where we go deep into Sellerboard for Shopify. As you can see, the tutorial starts at 426. Let's go to 426, rather 425, 450 now. And we'll see Sellerboard for Shopify from A to Z, how it works, how it can help you, how to read the graphs, what the graphs mean. Very nice videos. We go in depth. I do recommend you checking them out in the description. Also, as you can see, Sellerboard works with Walmart. We still have no tutorials for that. I'll do my best to update you with tutorials for Walmart once we have them. It's going to be linked in the description. For now, we don't have them. So yeah, in the description, again, we have link, 2-month free trial for Sellerboard for Amazon. Enjoy. Thank you for supporting my free content. Along with that, there's going to be a video that shows you how to use Sellerboard for Amazon. This third thing is Sellerboard for Shopify, special link, 2-month free trial, and a video with Alex from Sellerboard that shows you how to use Sellerboard for Shopify. Link in the description. All those are linked in the description for you. Again, check them out. Get the most out of Sellerboard. It's not free. I mean, it's free to try out, 2-month free trial, as I mentioned. And afterwards, you have to invest with the pricing here, as you can see, from $19 starting up to $79 if you pay monthly, or annually from $15 a month or $63 a month. And this is the full annual build once per year price, as you can see here. Check out the links in the description, save money, get free trials, check it out. And another last thing I want to leave you with is the demo account. If you use the link in the description and you click on demo, you'll be able to use Sellerboard actually with a free account without even logging in into your Seller Central. You don't even have to leave any details to Sellerboard. Just click on demo. You'll see the demo account. What's cool about that is that if you follow our video with Jenny, for example, you can then go to another tab and basically use the demo account to see the same things, to understand it better. Please invest time into that. This will help you with your profit analytics for Amazon or Shopify. I've been using this for many, many years for my own Amazon business. I do believe this tool is good. So check it out. All the links are in the description. And on the screen here, you are going to find 2 videos. One video for how to use Sellerboard for Amazon. The second one, how to use Sellerboard for Shopify. Be well, good luck, have a happy life. Thank you.